Well, thanks for jumping back once again into another video of the series Technical Analysis. In this series, we are updating you daily about good potential entries and good coins as well. If you are not earning money, you must join our community below. The link is in the description. So the coin that we are going to analyze today, it's the BNB and Bitcoin. So I would want you to move first to Bitcoin. So here is the thing about the Bitcoin. I have already made a video about Bitcoin in which I told you that this scenario is possible. I made this flag in front of you guys. If you have not watched the video, you can watch that video. It was uploaded yesterday, so you can have a better insight that what is happening with the Bitcoin. So currently that you can see is that this was a bearish flag that formed upon Bitcoin, and Bitcoin kept consolidating. You had some little scalping trades from here to here, and then this place, you know, I just gave an idea about the short entry in my community, so you should join the community as well. So this was the pattern that I was not expecting, I would say, to be broken to the downside, but not to be upside, because everything was turning on bearish. And there was an opportunity for a short trade as well. I did a trade. I am still in the trade, and I would probably exit at this place. I will tell you the reason why I would want to exit at this place. Okay. Now, if you want to look at this place, you can see that this line has been already broken, but there is something that has not happened yet. It is the retest of this upper trend line. So if this retest is successful, that means if the price does not move back upwards to and reclaim this channel, that means there's a greater chance that the price might continue to the downside and ultimately to this level, which will be a very local support because of this last area. You can see it was one time hit, second time hit. The Bitcoin has to go across it above that, and it retested the support and the same resistance as well, and then it took off with a greater volume, I would say, and made this little move up to 32,000 from 29,000. So this thing, if it falls from that place and it comes down towards the downside, however, the ultimate targets of this this bearish flag, I would say, is this, according to this, is this support is the exact target for this pattern. However, it's not necessary that it has to make that target. It can do something like that. It can bounce off from this support as well. But there is a thing that you need to be concerned about, and you need to look at that, and that is the chances of this pattern to be formed. Now, what is this thing that I have drawn to my right side? We call this a divergence, and we call it a bullish divergence. So this combination of these two patterns, this is the price, and below that it is the RSI or MACD. I might write down for you so that you can have learning as well. Price, if price moves like this, and let's say it's a bullish divergence, and if the price is like this, then indicator. So that indicator could be your RSI indicator as well, or the MACD as well. If the price is making double bottom like that, if it falls down here and bounces from this place, and you see the indicator, it keeps to the upside just like this one, that would be a bullish divergence, and that would be a very good sign for an entry at this place. However, currently this seems to be not good scenario. You can watch and wait for good entries. So that was it for the Bitcoin. Let's jump to the BNB. Well, talking about the BNB coin, the immediate resistance that was previously at this place, now we have this another resistance at this place. You can see, which is somehow a very famous pattern that we have seen so many times. It's this one, the head and shoulders that is being formed up here on BNB. However, I told you that this was a local support for BNB. There are chances that if you want to take an entry and this level does not break, you can take an entry for BNB at this point. However, there was something else on the BNB as well, for which I did a short trade of this line. Let me draw it for you guys. So that was the thing that forced me to do a short trade. I did a short on BNB somewhere around this place, and I closed it somewhere here. So currently you can see that there was a buying done at the support level for the BNB coin. If you missed it, then you missed it. Can't say anything. But however, this is acting as a good support. We just want to be more clear and look at the scenarios of this pattern being played out. The pattern is not valid until it breaks down. Don't confuse yourself and start shouting that you were talking about this hidden shoulder patterns and it did not break. I don't want it to break either, but the thing is, if it breaks in case, so you should know that what you are supposed to do in this scenario. So, and what happens if this is able to break? What will be the target? Well, it's very simple. You just get from the head of the pattern, you go to the neckline, you paste it right there, and then what you do is that you open your fibs, you check out that will be the target, by the way. You check out the target if it coincides with the Fibonacci. So you just see that the Fibonacci retracement number, it's somewhere right below that. It's somewhere right below that target. So that would be the area. This is marked in green. That means that would be another good support if somehow this was to break out. Well, I think that would be it for the BNB. If you like the video and you like the content, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and you share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much for being here with me. See you in the next video.